What's up, guys? Fresco BK live here at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, and that's Manhattan, Soho area. So make sure you guys pull up. Shouts out to the man Yeezy. Whether you like him, love him, dislike him, his shoes are popping here at Stadium Goods. So we're gonna unbox another one for you guys today. Another edition of the Yeezy 500 brought to you by Kanye West and Adidas. It's the Salt colorway. So the Salt Yeezy 500, we've got the utility black, there's the blush, there's the supermoon, but today we unboxing Salt, so let's get straight to these shoes. All right, so we've got the box top right here, regular standard 500 box top, and let me know what you guys think in the comments. I actually like this colorway a lot. It's probably my favorite out of the group, but we'll get to that in the end. And here we have the Salt 500 brought to you by Adidas and of course Kanye West. And let me know what you guys think about Kanye in the comments. But we've got the suede overlay right there in the toe box area. As we move up, has the leather underlay here, mesh also, perforation there. We have gray tonal laces, or salt tonal laces, I should say. We have the leather pull tab right there on the tongue. The tongue of the shoe is also completely mesh, but just smaller perforation than the holes right there on the bottom. Let's get to the outer panel. Another mesh overlay there with the suede hits that run throughout the lace area and to the upper ankle area of the shoe. We have the adiprene midsole, outsole. Back tab features the perforation once again, mesh. We have two like suede nubuck material throughout the back tab here. Let's get to the inner panel. Mirrors the outer panel minus the Adidas logo right there. We have full outsole. And once again, as I mentioned before in a variety of our different videos, the only Yeezys that feature the Boost midsole outsole are the 350s and the 700s. The 500s, which is what I hold here in my hand, do not have the Boost outsole. Peace to my man Quincy. But let's get to the insert here, which features the Adidas and the Yeezy logo along with the Ortholite. So this shoe apparently is really comfortable. I do not own a pair of 500s, but the general consensus here at Stadium Goods is that these are super comfortable. So I'll give you guys one last look at the Yeezy 500 adiprene. It is available for order and ready to ship via the link in the description below. So right here I've got the upcoming release of the Kicks magazine brought to you by Slam, which Stadium Goods is featured in. So these shoes that you see right here on the cover artwork are from Stadium. And here is our layout right there in the magazine that you guys can see. Stadium Goods right here. So we've got all the Yeezy 500 styles right here in all the colorways that they've been released in. Please let me know what you guys think in the comments about each one. I'm leaning towards Salt is number 1 for me, Blush number 2, Supermoon number 3, Utility Black maybe number 4. It varies between the Utility Black and Supermoon, but we have all available right here at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, and that's Manhattan, Soho area. So if you're in the area, please feel free to pull up. Thank you guys for liking and sharing all of our videos on Facebook and on YouTube. Make sure you guys download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and Android. Please visit stadiumgoods.com for any inquiries that you guys may have in regards to Yeezy or anything in regards to Stadium Goods. And last but not least, make sure that you guys follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. I am Fresco BK, and salud.